Hi, my name is Jenka and welcome to Nillion. Today, we're building something really interesting. We're building a privacy preserving calorie tracker. The goal here is to show you how possible it is to build mainstream consumer apps with privacy baked in. And all of this is thanks to Nillion's blind compute technology. What this demo does is really simple. We upload an image of our meal. That image is sent to NilAI. NilAI analyzes the image and gives us some nutritional information. And it is important to know that all of this is done without exposing your privacy. And for the record, we are building this with Next.js and the NilAI NPM package. So let's get into it. All right, let's get started. The first thing we need to do will be to install our NilAI package. This will enable us to integrate NilAI into our already existing Next.js app. And once that is done, we need to set up our API keys and environmental variables. An API key, kindly head over to subscription.nillion.com and generate an API key. You can go on ahead and public key to check for a subscription. You need to subscribe to NilAI before any of this can work. And to do that, go on ahead and follow these steps. It's pretty straightforward. If you need some testnet tokens, just head over to this URL and get yourself some test tokens. And once that is done, you can go on ahead and this is your key. This is what we need to get it to work inside of our environmental variables. All right, so I have everything pretty much set up. This is my env file and everything is good to go. Now, essentially what we're doing is we're giving the AI eyes by converting the image to a base 64 string. And we're also detecting for various file extensions. So we have JPEG, PNG, and so on and so forth. So the typical flow is we upload our image, it is converted to base 64, it is sent to the AI, it goes through, tries to figure out what it sees, and then it sends a report back to us. For the setup, again, this is a simple Next.js app. Under the SRC folder, I create a new API folder and then an analyze folder. This is where all the analysis is happening. So right here on line 61, this is where we tell the AI what it is. As you can see, it says you're a nutrition assistant. Look at the image and identify the main foods and so on and so forth. We're basically telling the AI, this is who you are, this is your job, and follow these instructions. And now that everything is looking good, we're going to go on ahead and run our app. So this is what our UI looks like. We're going to go on ahead and select an image to upload. So this is the image of the meal we have going on. We're going to analyze. And once we click on this, you can see that we're currently calling the analyze API here. And we have these really fancy text going on here. Okay, sweet. And the analysis is done. We can see that analysis complete. Your nutrition report is ready. We're able to identify the meal. As you can see, it says jollof rice, fried plantains, and fried chicken. It says it's about 800 calories, 40 grams of protein, 40 grams of fat, and 80 grams of carbs. Now, obviously, this is an estimation of the nutritional values. However, it is pretty accurate. And this really just goes to show what we can do with these types of technologies. And one really cool thing that is built into the app is we can download this image and we can see the nutritional value on the meal. And that is pretty much it. This is a private nutrition lens. The goal, again, is to show you that we can build mainstream consumer apps. And if you're not familiar, this is pretty similar to most calorie tracking mobile applications that already exist in the market. So you can take this and, spin up a new version with privacy baked in, or you could do something entirely different. You've been empowered to build privacy preserving applications. I'm looking forward to the really cool things you build. Thank you for watching. So thank you so much for watching. Today, we just learned how we can build consumer apps leveraging Nillion's private technology. If you enjoyed this, make sure to follow us on Twitter or join our Discord community if you have any questions or you need help. Thank you for watching and keep building.